Hello students. Today I shall be discussing a very important question of your Julius Caesar by William Shakespeare. Now, if you were to be given a question to write about the omens, the warnings of danger, the presentiments ignored by Julius Caesar. What were the omens, presentiments, and warnings of danger ignored by Caesar? To this question, you can write that the Ides of March comes and this day is the 15th of March. During the night, Caesar's wife California had seen a dream in which Caesar was murdered by a group of men. Therefore, California now urges Caesar not to move out of the doors on this day. Besides, she says, the watchmen have reported seeing some horrible sights during the stormy night. California says that the strange happenings which had been witnessed by the watchmen also indicate a danger to Caesar's life, but Caesar refuses to attach any meaning to these happenings. He says that he is not afraid of any danger and that he is certainly not afraid of death. Just then, Caesar receives a warning from the priests who send him a message that he should not move out of doors on this day. Under California's continuing pressure, Caesar agrees to stay at home. But just then a member of the Senate by the name of Decius arrives and he interprets California's dream in such a manner that Caesar feels flattered and gets ready to leave the house in order to attend the meeting of the Senate. Then Brutus, who is accompanied by the other conspirators, arrives at Caesar's house. A few moments later, Antony too comes there. And then all of them leave together for the Capitol. What was the Capitol? Capitol was the name of the building where the meetings of the Roman Senate were held. They leave together for the Capitol to participate in the meeting of the Senate. A last-minute effort by a man called Artemidorus to save Caesar's life fails, and Caesar enters the Capitol with his colleagues and the meeting begins. So, these are the omens and the presentiments and the warnings of danger which is ignored by Caesar, and Caesar is then assassinated by the conspirators in the Capitol, which we will do in Act 3. So, this is a very important question. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button as well as the bell icon if you want to know such important questions on Julius Caesar. And of course, the answer too will be discussed. Thank you.